I am not one who thinks that we need to rubber stamp prosecution. I was a prosecutor. I was a careful prosecutor. I didn't have much help back in the days when I was DA, so I did just about all of it myself. And I spent many hours at night writing indictments to make sure that I wrote them correctly, so those old lawyers back in those days wouldn't plead me out of court on some technicality. When I see errors that come from the lower courts, these errors are not just things that are academically wrong, they are things that can systemically affect the whole system. And if we approve of prosecutorial negligence or carelessness in one case, we're going to be stuck with that from a precedential standpoint in the future. So I think that my writing separate opinions is part of my characteristic of being very careful about cases and making sure that people know where I'm coming from. And I think I also provide an element or a dimension of diversity on that court because of my experience being so much greater than most of the others. So I don't think it's a bad thing to dissent, and that's part of our system, and it lets the public know where I stand and what I think, and I intend to continue doing that if I remain on the court.